And to give a little background, so I have been a fractional CFO for about 2 years, but before that worked in-house as a traditional CFO. So I have experience on both sides. So of course, the first line item here is a traditional CFO is a full-time employee. So sort of a part of your executive team and working 100% of the time on your nonprofit, whereas fractional model is a consultant part-time, but still embedded within the organization and providing that high-level CFO strategic support. So just because of that dynamic, the cost differential can be huge. Right now I have 4 clients, so I'm about 25%, of the cost of a traditional CFO. So that, if you don't have full-time work within your nonprofit, the cost difference can really be major. Flexibility. One of the things, and this is more something that I experience as a traditional CFO, a lot of other administrative work can get, sort of umbrellaed under the CFO role, HR, technology. And that was something, for me, myself, as a finance person, I really wanted to focus just on the finance. So, your traditional CFO might not have the same level of flexibility, sort of, leaning into other areas of administration. Whereas if you can structure, your work to sort of just have the finance work handled by a fractional CFO and a director of operations, or someone with that expertise handle the other aspects of administration, that can be a really great way to kind of catalyze the work. And then lastly, the expertise is, as I spoke about, like I really wanted to focus on just the finance work and having multiple clients that I can compare and contrast. I was actually just on a call with one of my clients and we were talking about banking solutions, and I could say, well, one of my other clients has this kind of setup that works really well, and we might want to think about that for us. I have found that to be a great benefit of the fractional model as I've been in the space the last few years, sort of being able to share expertise and my own learning sort of across my current client base. So those are some differences between the traditional and fractional model.